Now this is going to be fun to work on because this chain is one chain. And it starts off with this chain on the gong side on the left, comes down into the first hole. Then it goes completely around for the weight there, and then it goes back up into the third hole on the right, which in turn goes to the time side on the left. Then it comes off from the time side on the right, going down to the very last hole on the right, and it goes back up into the second hole from the left, this hole here, which goes back into the strike side on the right. And it's going to be very confusing to do this because it is all one chain. So again, strike side on the left comes down, goes into the very first hole on the left, which comes down, goes back up to the third hole from the left, which comes to the time side on the left, goes around, comes out time side on the right, comes down to the very last hole on the right, which goes around this the swivel and goes back up to the second hole on the left, which goes back up to go to the strike side on the right. You got that, Mark?